On the ball, Florentino. Now, who can he play it to? ʟɪꯙᴇ. And well positioned to clear. Ezequiel Palacios. Failure to keep the ball by Portugal. And the managers will now deliver their half-time team talks. We're at the end of 45 minutes in this game. So back underway and an intriguing second half in prospect. Garcia. Spinazzola. Sarni. Van Nistelrooy. Van Nistelrooy. Can they forge ahead? And hit with ferocity. It was close, but not quite good enough. De Bruyne. Garcia. Artur Cabral. Wolves might be able to cash in from here. And Wolves losing possession. Mbeumo. Van Nistelrooy. De Bruyne. Oh, in with a chance! Well, placement over power, but it didn't work out for him. Leonardo Spinazzola. Ezequiel Palacios. Vinicius Junior. And here's Shearer. Can they nudge in front? And there it is! The deadlock has been broken. We wondered if a goal would arrive. Well, now it has. And will there be a response now?
Well, here it is. Head down, hit through the ball and get it on target. That's a top-class finish. There was no stopping that.
What a big moment in the dying embers. Will it prove decisive here? Just 10 minutes to go. Vinicius Junior. Mbeumo. Portugal looking dangerous. A disappointing end to the move. Ziyech. Davide Fratesi. Wolves failing to keep the ball. On the stoppage time situation. And the referee says that will do it. It is a win for Portugal, just what they were hoping for. Stuart, your overall assessment?
Well, Derek, they didn't dominate the game by any means today, but overall they had the better of the chances and just about deserved it.
Vinicius Junior. Now with Shearer. Oh, surely! And that'll roll through to the keeper. The attack just fizzling out in the end. It's a promising move from Portugal. Shearer. Aware of the threat, solving the problem. Ronaldinho. Ronaldo. Must take the lead here. And a goal from Cristiano Ronaldo. That will be such a boost for them.
Well, just look how he holds off the defender. He keeps his balance and he still hits the target. What a good goal that is.
So the ball is moving again. Will there be a quick response from Portugal here? There needs to be. Very quick thinking there. Considerable momentum, courtesy of Ronaldo. And he's broken free. And coolly done in the end. So nearly at half-time, and the home side trailing, albeit not by much. Stuart, your thoughts up to this point?
Well, they've not had quite enough purpose to their attacking play so far.
This could level it. Well, the managers will now deliver their half-time team talks. We're at the end of 45 minutes in this game. The ball moving again. Real have the lead, but they won't be taking anything for granted. And a simple clearance, a good one. Oh, he's through here. Chance still on, and it's in! Real Madrid firmly in charge here.
Well, just watch this again. A change of pace, a change of direction, and a decent finish. That's a very good goal.
So 2-0 now.
Number 10, Cristiano Ronaldo.
ʟɪꯙᴇ. Alan Shearer. Just the challenge that was required. Ronaldinho. And a good take under duress there. And it will be a free kick to Real Madrid. So a Real Madrid corner. His hat-trick, a special moment for him.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a really inviting ball played into the box, begging players to attack it, which makes it a fairly simple finish in the end. It's a really good goal.
So the action continues, and Real very much bossing the proceedings. Jude Bellingham. Given away by Real Madrid. Ronaldinho, opportunity, another goal! The lead grows to 4 now, a rampant display!
Let's see this again, because the delivery into the box couldn't be any better. Played into just the right area, but there's still plenty for him to do. Under all sorts of pressure from the defender, he's just able to keep him at bay and finishes with aplomb. It's a great goal.
De Bruyne, Van Nistelrooy. De Bruyne now. De Bruyne has support. Well, the ball goes out of play for what will be a goal kick. Substitution for Real Madrid. Virgil van Dijk. And we've entered the final 5 minutes. ʟɪꯙᴇ. Wilting under the pressure, and now they try to go forward. And the referee makes it official. Well, this hasn't gone Portugal's way. Not at all what they had in mind. Stuart, sum it up for us.
Well, Derek, that just wasn't good enough today. A lack of a game plan, too many players below par, and not enough energy all around the pitch. A really worrying performance for me.
Van Nistelrooy. An effective challenge. Vinicius Junior. Manuel Akanji. Without the official word, there will be a minimum of 2 added minutes. Palacios. And there it is, the half-time whistle.
Coming up half-time, there'll be a display from the police dog display pages that claim this piece of land.
Well, they've got things going again here, and I wonder what kind of second half we have in store for us. How can he take them on and beat them? Zinedine Zidane. Good work from Portugal to win back possession. Van Nistelrooy is with Vinicius Junior. Opportunity! Well, what can we say? Miles off target. Manuel Akanji. Well, we're into the final half hour. De Bruyne. And it's with Shearer. Well, high quality defending. Mikel Merino. Encouraging stuff from United. Vinicius. Shearer. Van Nistelrooy has it. And the danger is averted. Kevin De Bruyne. Van Nistelrooy. Shearer. Trying to really get at the opposition here. Well, didn't go to plan in the end. And cleared away. Five minutes to go. Vinicius Junior. Can they grab the lead late on? Van Nistelrooy, can he put them in front? Mikel Merino intercepted effortlessly. And with that, the referee brings this match to an end. Both sides have their moments over the course of the 90 minutes, but it finishes in a stalemate. Stuart, what did you make of it all?
Well, yes, Derek, probably not the best game. I don't think either team played to their full potential. The final ball was often lacking, and the chances...
And no problems at all on the weather front as we get ready for this match. I'm Derek Ray, and my commentary partner, as always, is Stuart Robson. And with the game just moments away now, this really ought to be a superb watch. It's Portugal up against Manchester United.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek. We've got two good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed.
Dembele. Okocha has it. Denied by the bar. Back in play here. Good piece of defending. Couldn't find a teammate. Throw in here. Vinicius Junior. There to take it away. Van Nistelrooy. Shearer. And they might forge ahead. Dembele. Palacios. Portugal pushing forward with options available. Vinicius Junior. They keep plugging away. Well, that is a moment he would love to have back because it really was there for him. Hammerleinen. Vinicius Junior. Okocha has it. Now with Alexander-Arnold. Dembele. Kevin De Bruyne. And on to Cordoba. Van Nistelrooy. Mbeumo. Shearer. Van Nistelrooy. Van Nistelrooy. And a goal to open the scoring. No wonder they're celebrating.
Well, here we can see just how good this goal is. It has everything. Skill, pace and power. There was no stopping him there.
Back underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens next. And the electronic board showing 1 additional minute. Van Nistelrooy. A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time. Back underway then, and work to do for United, given the scoreline. Alexander-Arnold. Alan Shearer. Van Nistelrooy. Mbeumo. Palacios on the ball. And Portugal, can he put it away? And it's gone in. Just what the doctor ordered. Things looking very bright for them now with this buffer.
Well, just look at the defending here. They just don't read the danger. It's a poor goal to concede.
So 2-0 now.
Number 3.
Okocha. Alexander-Arnold. And Cordoba clearing the danger. Alan Shearer. Real chance. Can he convert? Another goal! And surely there's no way they can throw this away. Absolutely dominant.
Well, I won't get tired of watching this. It's an outstanding bit of play. Just look how far he runs with the ball. That's a great goal.
So back in action. It's been all Portugal so far. You sense there could be extra punishment in store. Vinicius Junior, and return to Dembele. Just the clearance that was needed. Oh, in with a chance. Superb chance. A goal! And I'll tell you what, on this sort of form, very few would lay a glove on them.
Well, you have to admire this bit of play. Just look how he runs with the ball. He always looked in control, didn't he? That's a brilliant goal.
They will now make use of the substitutes bench. Well, if there were any... Five minutes to go. Dembele. well read to ease the pressure.
The referee
has decided that 2 additional minutes are in order. And a chance for the lead. And clears the danger. Van Nistelrooy. De Bruyne. And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game.
Coming up half-time, there will be a display from the police dog display stations that change the spread.
So back underway, and an intriguing second half in prospect. It is a decent-looking attack here, but a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. Ezequiel Palacios. And Modric carries it forward. Let's see what he does next. Cordoba with the clearance. Kevin De Bruyne. Vinicius Junior. Vinicius Junior could be, and still a chance. Emphasis on the clearance, a good one. And a confident clearance. Van Nistelrooy, can they forge ahead? Well, denied by the woodwork this time.
Well, the keeper was beaten, but the woodwork wasn't. That's a sharp chance.
Rijkaard. Well, we're inside the final quarter of an hour now. Ronaldo. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Ronaldo. Can he put them in front? Oh, they've done it! They forged ahead, and it might be the goal that gives them victory.
Well, I have to say, this is a really good goal. Just look how well balanced he is. He knows he's going to be under pressure, but he shows great composure to hit the target.
What a big moment in the dying embers. Will it prove decisive here?
Well, it hasn't been a great performance, but the fans have been brilliant. Just listen to the noise. Can the players respond and find this equaliser?
Well, he really read that brilliantly. And the upshot of that is offside.
Well, he needed to look elsewhere because the flag was always going to go up.
Ronaldo. And we will have just 1 additional minute. Not the best challenge, free kick. Hernandez. And the referee makes it official. Well, this hasn't gone Portugal's way. Not at all what they had in mind. Stuart, sum it up for us.
Well, Derek, it was a poor result. It was a really tight contest. Both sides had their chances. Could have gone either way. But in the end, they will be disappointed.
Hello, it's great to be with you, and I don't think anybody is going to complain, especially about the weather. I'm Derek Ray, and ready with his tactics board alongside me is Stuart Robson, my commentary partner. And with the atmosphere really building up nicely, we should be in for a terrific contest. It's Portugal versus Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Well, thanks, Derek, as always. The scene is set. 2 good teams, a great playing surface, and a vibrant atmosphere. It has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
An alert intervention. Vinicius Junior. Chance to do damage. Well, it didn't go to plan in the end. Ziyech. Fratesi. Cabral. Nicely timed tackle.
A reminder,
Ziyech.
tickets for the next game are available for sale after today's game.
Vinicius Junior. And he did well to cut it out. Ezequiel Palacios. Van Nistelrooy. Mbeumo. Shearer. Oh, denied by the post.
Well, it was great technique, but it just clips the wrong side of the post. That deserved a goal.
Florentino. And now Garcia. ʟɪධᴇ. Cabral. Plenty of support here. Alan Shearer. Van Nistelrooy. He's given us away. And a free kick awarded by the referee. Alex Garcia. Cabral. Just 1 minute of stoppage time, say the officials. Simple for the keeper dealing with that long-range effort. And the managers will now deliver their half-time team talks. We're at the end of 45 minutes in this game.
Mr. Moon has left the building.
So back underway and an intriguing second half in prospect. Alex Garcia. Artur Cabral. Looking for that final pass, looking for the goal that would put them ahead. Must take the lead here. Van Nistelrooy. Plenty of options. Oh, big chance. And a goal! That will do it. They've been pushing for it, and now they've been rewarded.
Well, as you can see, he's a dangerous runner with the ball. He has such good balance and pace. That's a top-class goal, isn't it?
And Wolves get the game restarted. Disappointed to have conceded. Now they need to come up with a quick response. Van Nistelrooy. Alan Shearer. Vinicius Junior. Can't miss, surely. It's in. They're looking really relaxed and confident and not giving the opposition much of a look in.
Well, just look at his strength here. He holds off the challenge, he keeps his balance, and he finds the back of the net. It's a wonderful goal.
So underway again, and a 2-0 advantage here. Florentino. Fratesi. And teammates around him. And could put one back here. What a genuine opportunity, but it was squandered. Goal kick. Cordoba. Here's Hernandez. Kevin De Bruyne. Shearer. Mbeumo. Van Nistelrooy has it. Vinicius Junior. It's got to be. Well, that's a really top-notch piece of defending. ʟɪධᴇ. Florentino. Artur Cabral. Van Nistelrooy. And the final whistle here, a real sense of feel-good in the Portuguese camp on the back of this victory, Stuart.
Well, fairly comfortable in the end, wasn't it? Thought they controlled the middle of the park well. Going forward, there was some really nice incisive play too. It's a good result for them.
It's great to be with you, and no problems at all on the weather front as we get ready for this match. I'm Derek Ray, and ready with his tactics board alongside me is Stuart Robson, my commentary partner. And without doubt, a match with the potential to bring genuine excitement. It's Portugal up against Leeds United.
Well, Derek, as is always the case, the team that dominates midfield will be the team that controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
De Bruyne. And the goalkeeper will claim it. Shearer. Now with Vinicius Junior. Offside anyway, albeit a tight one. And that's an important intervention. Shearer. Now what can they do from here? But a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. Can they nudge in front? Oh, marvellous defending to deny him. He's in behind. Well, that's a foul, and it sets up a free kick in a dangerous position. And that is going to mean a caution.
The referee is absolutely right. He knew what he was doing there.
Oh, yes! It's gone in! And now a chance for them to revel in the moment.
Well, I have to say, this is a really good goal. Just look how well balanced he is. He knows he's going to be under pressure, but he shows great composure to hit the target.
21.
Bentancur. Good work from Portugal to win it back. Van Nistelrooy. Shearer. Is it going to be? Oh, he wasn't ruthless enough in front of goal. Keeper has it now. Well, maybe scope for Portugal to add to their lead with this set piece. Good piece of defending. Mbeumo. De Bruyne.
And
this all right?
Will be a minimum of 4 minutes of added time.
And a simple clearance, a good one. Shearer. Onto Van Nistelrooy. Must score! That is that for the first half here.
With the prospects being free throws, Mr. Moon has left the building.
So back underway here into the second half. Well read to ease the pressure. Van Nistelrooy. Now can they make something happen? Shearer. Well, I think it's fair to say he really should have been able to give the keeper a test from there. Nuno Mendes. Bentancur. Jadon Sancho. Ikoma Lois Openda. Jadon Sancho. Well, Portugal with the ball again. Alan Shearer. Van Nistelrooy has it. And the ball back with Leeds here. Openda. Van Nistelrooy. Sarni has it. ʟɪධᴇ. In position. Oh dear, the goal was at his mercy. Tame effort. Bentancur. Just 15 minutes from it. Kevin De Bruyne. And Best has it. Fine work from Portugal to win back possession. De Bruyne. Ball back with Argentina now. Landon Donovan. Chance to do damage. But they took care of the situation defensively. It might be the moment to get them ahead. And a goal to open the scoring. No wonder they're celebrating.
Well, here's another look, and you can see what a good finish this is. He holds off the defender brilliantly and keeps his composure. That's a great goal.
And Portugal gets the game restarted. Disappointed to have conceded. Now can they come up with a quick response? Rewarded for that brilliant high press. And Nistelrooy. De Bruyne. It should be. In position. And it's in. All square again. What a match this is turning out to be.
Well, I have to say, this is a really good goal. Just look how well balanced he is. He knows he's going to be under pressure, but he shows great composure to hit the target.
So in business once more, on the back of that very important equaliser. 1-1. Palacios. Shearer. Vinicius Junior. And Nistelrooy. And Portugal struggling to keep the ball. The first half here comes to an end.
Coming up at half-time, there'll be a display from the police dog display pages that change the sᴜŽbsᴄʀɪévᴇ.
So back underway, and an intriguing second half in prospect. Ezequiel Palacios. And Nistelrooy. On to Hernandez. And fine work by Argentina to recover possession. Donovan. And possession ceded by Argentina. So half an hour remaining. Well, they're moving it around with real purpose here. Can they forge ahead? Well, that is a moment he would love to have back, because it really was there for him. Well, there's a textbook example of how to press the ball. Palacios. Vinicius Junior. And Nistelrooy. Here's De Bruyne. Can they jump in front? Superb chance. Well, unable to bend his run. Offside. It's going to be a throw-in for Portugal here. Córdoba. Vinicius Junior. Van Nistelrooy. Still pushing for what could be a winner. Must take the lead here. The referee spotted the infringement, and it will be a free kick in a position of genuine menace. Can he do it? Well, what an opportunity squandered. Far too easy for the keeper. Well, it comes down to the final 5 minutes.
Well, what a final few minutes we have here. And the fans are certainly playing their part. But can they take one of these chances that come their way and win this game?
There will be a minimum of 4 minutes of added time.
Kevin De Bruyne. Mbeumo. And that is going to be all for this game. Well, we were treated to goals, but no winners in the end. Stuart, what did you make of it?
Well, Derek, it was certainly entertaining. Both sides had periods of the game where they were dominant, but overall, I think a draw is just about the right result.